Hi everyone, welcome to this session on Classroom. As you all know, the Classroom functionality is used by the teacher in order to add more students to one or more students to a classroom in order to be able to publish, test and analyze the students based on their performance, based on their accuracy and speed in each test, and also analyze the subjects which are a part of each test. And the Classroom also gives us a list of all the tests which have been published in the account. And in the Classroom, the teacher also gets an option to analyze the accuracy and speed trend of each student based on their performance and based on all the tests that have been taken in the Classroom. On the left panel, you see the list of my mentees, which right now we do not have any mentees, but as soon as a student adds this teacher as his or her mentor, his name will be appearing in this list. Along with displaying my mentees, it also displays the name of all the classrooms. The teacher has the ability to search the classroom based on the name. And on the right panel, the results will be displayed. The name search can also be done from here. When the teacher wants to search a specific student in the classroom, she can add more students to the classroom, upload a data, like say for example, sometimes the teacher might want to add 100 students at the same time. So in order to save some data entry time, we have given the ability to the teacher to click on the upload button and upload an Excel file based on the template provided. And the export feature gives an ability to export the student data that you see in front of you and save it in the form of an Excel file. We move on to analyzing the students through the accuracy and speed graphs. You can click on the arrow button for a maximized view on the accuracy and speed graphs. And moving on to the subject analysis graph, which gives us a breakdown of each subject, and the effort analysis to reassure the teacher that the efforts of the students are directed equally towards all the subjects. The trend, as we spoke earlier, analyzing the accuracy and speed trend of all the students over a point of time. The list of tests which have been published or yet to be published in Classroom. Over here, as you can see, this is a count of the number of tests published in the Classroom, the number of attempts, the number of questions, and the accuracy percentage and the speed of each of all the students combined together in the Classroom. The further, we have given an option to sort the count as well as the test based on each subject. The teacher also has an ability to edit the name of the classroom or delete a specific classroom. That pretty much brings us to the end of the session. Let's take a quick recap. As we can see, we took a quick look at adding, deleting, viewing the list of mentees and the students in the classroom. We went ahead and saw how to upload student data to the classroom. We searched students and classrooms by name. We also took a quick look at viewing the student analysis, subject analysis and effort analysis graphs and analyze the reason why we have those graphs for the teacher in the classroom. The teacher also gets an option to analyze the accuracy and speed trend of each of her students over a point of time since they started taking the test in the classroom. She also gets to see the list of the tests published in the classroom. So that brings us to the end of the Classroom functionality. Please go ahead and email us with any questions at hello@myperfectus.com. Thank you so much for attending the session.